So how do you reduce sharpness and shadows in your iPhone camera? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So it all depends on whether you want to do it while taking a photo or later in post-production. Because if you are using it directly or you want to access that effect inside of the camera right away, you can, for example, turn off the HDR, because the HDR can sometimes make photos brighter and more contrasty, which, turns off the shadow and like the sharpness. And actually, that might be the thing that you have in mind, right? Because you can literally just go to your settings, and in the section for your camera and for the photos, make sure you turn off the view full HDR, right? And also change it in the settings as well. So yeah, that's like the way which I would change that if that's the thing that you're going after, right? But in other cases, you might also just edit existing photos. Because if you go to the Photos app, you can look up any kind of image you want, then tap on the Edit button, and then dial down all of these sliders for brightness, for contrast. You can bump up the shadows. You also have a definition or sharpness slider, so you can play around with those as well for a specific effect on your photos. So let me know what you exactly mean by that by letting me know about that below in the comments. Most definitely subscribe for more tips and tutorials like this one, and I'll talk to you later in the upcoming videos as well. So stay tuned for more, and I'll see you later.